Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start from the practicals now because we have covered theory part in the previous videos. So now uh, I'm going to show you how to fire queries in SQL. So we'll start from the basic. Today we are going to learn how to create database, how to use it, and how to create table in that. Okay, so let's just start. So database is basically where you store the data, and uh, where you store the information about your data in the tabular format. To create a database, you need a query. So this is a workbench of MySQL. I'll cover it in the next videos how to install this SQL workbench. So let's start. First, I'm gonna show you how to create database. Okay. So the database is create database. I'm gonna name it as learn and grow. So to run this query, you need to select the portion you want to run, and then hit this third option. So this is how the output looks like. Create database, learn and grow. One row affected. It is pass. So we have successfully created the database learn and grow. So in that, um, to perform any query, to perform any action on this database which we have created, you need to fire one query, which you need to always remember this, because if I create database like this and after that I start creating the tables, it will not allow me to add the tables in this database, particular database. So for that, we have the query use database name. We have database name learn and grow. So how to run this query? Select the part, run this. So now we can use this. So I will create one table in it. Syntax for the create table is create table, table name. We'll create table name as employee. This is how it will throw us an error. A table must have at least one visible column. We we should add one column, not must add one column in our table, because the table without column is not at all a table, right? So for that, we'll add 2 3 columns in it. We have employee ID, which will come in int format. After that, employee name, which will come in varchar format. I've already covered this data types in SQL. You can watch the previous videos about this, then you will get the idea what I'm talking about. Just a second, let me just access the screen. Department. So now it's time to run this part. Create table employee. We have successfully created the table. Okay. So we'll see what are the like what type of table it is created. So for that, select asterisk from table name. What is our table name? Employee. So select asterisk from employees. Select all the data from employee. Okay. So I'll just run this part, and after that I'll explain how this query run in backend. This is what our table looks like. First column is employee ID, then employee name, followed by address, department, and salary. Yeah. Okay. So what happens in this query is the execution starts from this from keyword. It will search the from word from table name. It will go to the table, and after that it will search the select asterisk. Asterisk means all the data. It will fetch all the data and put it in our output window. This is how the select query runs. So that's it, guys, for the video. I'll share a lot more topics in the upcoming video, so stay tuned, and also comment the queries which you have in this video, or what you want to learn in the next video, what you want me to cover in the next videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel.